Welcome to our channel. If you want to reset your gut health and improve your overall well-being, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Start by increasing your fiber intake through whole foods like vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains to support healthy digestion. Step 2. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi into your daily diet to restore beneficial gut bacteria. Step 3. Stay properly hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day to help your digestive system function optimally. Step 4. Reduce processed foods, refined sugars, and artificial additives that can disrupt your gut microbiome balance. Step 5. Include prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus to feed the good bacteria in your gut. Step 6. Consider taking a high-quality probiotic supplement after consulting with your healthcare provider. Step 7. Manage stress through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga, as stress can negatively impact gut health. Step 8. Get adequate sleep of 7 to 9 hours per night to allow your body to repair and maintain a healthy gut. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.